Welcome to AdvSouthAfrica. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rob, and today we're carrying out a repair on an aluminium subframe for a KTM 300. So if you enjoy wheeling, you're probably going to experience this at some point. You wheelie over, breaks the subframe, and then you need to repair it. So let me show you how we're going to address it and what we're going to fix. So as you can see, I've got two subframes on the table here. The bottom one is our donor subframe. We're going to cut it around about there, move that across to the other one. The other one had lost its piece of its subframe during a ride, and obviously that's gone missing. So we're going to cut where it's already been welded here. We'll cut a little bit deeper. We'll then insert some aluminium sort of stock that we're going to cut to size, and then we'll weld it and make sure it's right, and then inspect the subframe just to make sure that there's no other cracks anywhere. And if you regularly follow the channel, stay tuned. This is the bash plate for the CRF 110F, or the skid plate. We're going to be welding up those spaces and fitting that. So stick around, there will be a fitment video. You guys can catch up on all of that. So let's go ahead and clean up these parts, make sure they're ready to weld, get our fillers in or our spacers, and then we're going to hit it hard. have it, subframe has been repaired. We've also, in addition to that, just cut a piece of this down strut, and we've used that as a sort of brace that's going to go under the mudguard there where the fairing sits. So that's all sorted, that's been welded up now. It's obviously got the block on the inside, so we've melted through and sort of made that all nice one piece. In addition to that, I finished welding up the spacers for the CRF 110F skid plate. If you'd like to see that, definitely subscribe, drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, guys.